In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shapes in Google Docs. Whether you're adding arrows to point to key sections, callouts for extra emphasis, or just some basic shapes to organize your document, knowing how to do this efficiently is a handy skill. Let's get started and delve into the details of incorporating shapes seamlessly into your Google Docs project. So, you're in your Google Doc and ready to insert a shape. The first step is to open the drawing canvas. To do this, glance up to the top menu of your Google Doc. Here, you'll want to click on Insert. This is your gateway to bringing additional elements into your document. As you hover over the option Drawing, you'll notice the option New pop up. Go ahead and click on New to bring up a separate drawing canvas window. This window is essentially a blank slate reserved solely for your creative additions. Now that your drawing canvas is open, it's time to bring in the shapes. Look for the shape icon in the toolbar. It resembles a circle and a square. Clicking on this icon will reveal a range of categories you can explore: shapes, arrows, callouts, and equations. Feel free to scroll through and select whichever shape aligns with your needs. Once you've decided, click on the canvas and drag your mouse to draw the shape. Drawing sizes are flexible, but here's a useful tip. To achieve a perfect square or circle, hold down the Shift key as you drag. This little trick ensures your shape maintains its perfect proportions. With your shape now visible in your drawing canvas, the next step is customization. The toolbar at the top offers multiple options for you to experiment with. You can change the fill color to better match or highlight areas of your document. Additionally, altering the border color and weight can make your shape stand out or blend in as needed. Take some time here to play around with colors and sizes until it suits your document's aesthetic. Once satisfied with your shape's appearance and position, you'll want to finalize and place it into the document. To do this, simply click Save and Close. Your crafted shape will now appear on your document, ready for any final positioning. Perhaps you'd like to move or adjust your shape after inserting it. No worries. Click on the shape to select it, and a small menu will appear offering different text wrapping options. For more flexibility in placement, opt for In Front of Text. If adjustments or edits are needed after placement, a quick double-click on the shape will reopen the drawing canvas, allowing for further enhancement or tweaks. And there you have it, a straightforward way to enhance your Google Docs with shapes. Practice these steps and you'll find incorporating shapes becomes second nature, adding that extra layer of professionalism or creativity to your documents. Thanks for tuning in and see you next time.